Goodbye, Carson City. I could have lived here, but couldn't afford your rent. Got up early this morning. It was foggy and rainy. Come up here to Crater Lake, take a look around. I was afraid you wouldn't be able to see anything, but once I got down to the lake itself, the fog lifted. Check out this view. Here's the island over there. Air is really chilly. Check out those cliffs. Pretty sweet. Let's see if we can hike down to the bottom. So it's like 42 degrees, but good day for a hike. So this is the start of the trail. This is a pretty sweet trail. I kind of want to ride the mountain bike on it. I wonder if that's frowned upon. Some pretty sweet views. Check that out. Still hiking. This doesn't, obviously the camera doesn't capture the steepness of the trail. Not sure how long it is either. See if I can find out. Make a comment later. Pretty sure the sign said you can't bring dogs with you though, which is too bad. So, in the distance, I'm seeing white spots that look like snow, maybe. Way over there. Could it be snow? Nice if we could paddle over and find out. So there appears to be a tractor coming down the trail. Hitch a ride, maybe? So you can't bring your own boat out on the water, but they do have boats that will take you on a tour, and they'll take you over to the island. they have a certain number of reservations that you can get online, and then the day of the tour, or 24 hours in advance of the tour, they will open up more spots for people who didn't get a chance to make reservations, which is nice of them. But apparently they fill up pretty quick. So if you want a tour on one of those boats, you gotta be quick. A view straight up, rocks hanging overhead. Should probably be wearing a hard hat down here. Oh, there's some brave people in the water down there. Ah. Here we are at the bottom of the trail. Yeah, there would be no paddle boarding today. It's way too windy for that. Now, if I'd have brought the wing with me, that could be an option. That was a brave couple. So yeah, nice climb. Toasty. Jacket came off. So there's a nice cooling mist falling too. Breathe deep, my pasty friend. Alright, so it's like 0.9 some miles. Roughly 2-mile hike to the bottom and then the climb to the top. Climb to the top is a pretty good one. Especially if you don't slow down, just keep trucking. Get that heart rate up. So there's all these pull-offs around this road. I was gonna pull off on a couple of them, but the fog has rolled in again and wouldn't really be able to see much. I guess I got here just in time. It was ridiculously foggy right before I got here, then the fog lifted, and now that I'm leaving, the fog has descended again. I lucked out. So you just Googled it real quick. Crater Lake is like 6,100 feet in elevation, something like that. So yeah, the hike was above that elevation. Not horrible. You could tell there was a slightly reduced amount of oxygen. So yeah, there's that. 1 mile trail, 6,100 feet. Easy morning warm up. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you come to the park early, I don't know what time the gates open, but you can avoid paying the entry fee because the gate houses are not staffed early in the mornings or late at night. So there's that. Get there early. Get there early and beat the crowds.